Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the standby display like you see on your iPhone. So if you want to turn on the standby display on your Samsung S25 Ultra, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and turn on your always on display. So you need to go ahead and open up your settings. Now from here, scroll down until you see lock screen and AOD. Now go ahead and turn on lock screen and AOD. Now go ahead and press home. Now again, bring down the notification bar and where you see your quick panel menu, find auto rotate, which is right here at the top left. Go ahead and long press on it. This will now show you what you can auto rotate, and we just want to auto rotate the lock screen. So turn that feature on and press done. And now once you do this, lock your phone. And now once AOD is enabled, you'll see your screen in landscape mode. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the standby display like you see on your iPhone using your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.